Welcome back, folks. We're back. Just got off of work. We're back filming, and we're back from the secret location that I spoke about earlier. Guess where I'm at? I'm at the food mart, and guess what gas station we're at? We're at your Chevron over here on Woodley and Sherman Way. And the reason we're making the video here tonight, because this gas station is a very special gas station here in Van Nuys. It's a very special gas station that I've known about since I've had different sports cars and motorcycles. This is why we come to this very special gas station. So yesterday's video, a lot of people spoke about the way the car was pulling. Now yesterday we had the regular gas in it. We didn't have the premium gas, so we were running on the standard. I think like 89 is the standard. I think 87 or 89, one of those two. But now we're going to be working with 100 octane. So the reason we can't put this fuel in the car yet is because I still have more than half a tank in this car, and it being half a tank, I can't mix it. So I'm going to go down to bare nothing, no gas in the tank, and we're going to pump it full of this 100 octane, and we're going to do those pulls again, and you're going to see this car pull the way it's supposed to be pulling at 100 octane. Now, I had a couple people that gave me a couple questions about the car, how much it was paying, how much I paid for it. And I'm leasing the car because we're expecting another Mazda Speed to come out soon. So the lease was about $430 down, and the car is pretty much it's a non-premium turbo, so it included everything but the red seats. Of course, the sensors, the 360 camera, and a couple of other things that are in it. But right now I'm going to show you the Moroni sticker. And a lot of my friends were telling me, well, you know what, your night video, that 0 to 60 pull video, was kind of pixely. So guess what these people did? One of my best friends called me up. He's like, hey, I want you to try doing something for me, and gave me something special. And I'm going to show you. It's back here in back of the car. And back here in back of the car, something very special. And we have, it looks like, let me turn on the car. Let me turn on the car. And look at what we have now. So we got the GoPro system. So shout out to Omar, Street Life. This is one of my best friends that I play video games with at night. He's going to support the channel with the GoPro. We have the GoPros now. And here's the Moroni sticker that some of you wanted to see. So there's the Moroni for my car. I hope you can see it. All the options. And most important, the shout outs. I want to shout out some of the people that supported the channel. Shout outs are the most important for me because it tells everybody what everybody's been doing. So I want to shout out Antonio DeSecre, Ethan Bryan, Lupit Man, Andrew Tellis, V Dub Club, Nut, Admiral Akbar, Levi Goodwin, Omar Lopez, Lego Beats is in here, Christian Kukuski, R. Reyes, Cal T, GNS, Maximilian is in here, ZY, Got Wings, Mushimiski, Stuart Wright. I have OSMAR CP22. I think that's some sort of a military code. I have Stephen Rigo, RKPT, Faustian, Alex Prado, and Green Timmons. So folks, we're ready to go. Just wanted to shout you guys out, let you know what's going on. We got the 0 to 60 pulls coming up in the full racing fuel. So if you guys need racing fuel, it's always available here on Sherman Way and Woodley. So if you ever need any racing fuel, you guys can come get it here. Let me give you some information on this 100 octane. So there's the 100 octane. When we go empty, we go 100. So let's get this video on the road. I'll be heading home. I had a long day. So that's what we're going to be filming with in the next couple days. We're going to be doing live runs up in the canyons. We're going to be doing the 0 to 60 pulls with different gases in it. So right now we're running the cheap gas. We're going to go to 91. and then we're going to jump to that big old 101 octane. Folks, stay tuned. We'll see you soon. Thank you so much for tuning in tonight into the channel. Thank you so much. Be safe. Peace.